Hello young scientists, welcome to Simply Science TV. Today we're exploring the exciting world of science tools in the laboratory. These amazing tools are like magic wands in our experiments, helping us discover new and fascinating things. Let's uncover how they make science come alive with fun and discovery. Science labs are exciting places full of cool tools and gadgets. We use these tools to do experiments and make incredible discoveries. Are you ready to learn about some of these amazing tools? Let's put on our imaginary lab coats and get started. First up, we have the beakers. Beakers are one of the most common pieces of laboratory glassware. They are used for mixing, stirring, and heating chemicals. Beakers are like special cups scientists use to hold liquids. They are usually cylindrical with a flat bottom and a small spout for pouring. They come in different sizes, just like the cups in your kitchen. You can find beakers that hold as little as 10 milliliters or as much as several liters. Next, we have graduated cylinders. These are essential for measuring liquids accurately. These are tall and skinny, with lines on the side to measure liquids very precisely. Each line represents a specific volume, making it easy to measure out exact amounts. Think of them as super accurate measuring cups. Unlike beakers, graduated cylinders are designed specifically for measuring, not for mixing or heating. We use beakers and graduated cylinders to measure the exact amount of liquids we need for our experiments. This precision is crucial for achieving reliable and repeatable results. Getting the measurements right is important for our experiments to work. Even a small error in measurement can lead to incorrect results, which is why scientists rely on these tools to ensure accuracy. Whether it's a beaker for mixing or a graduated cylinder for precise measurement, each tool has its unique role in the lab. Test tubes and test tube racks are essential tools in any science lab. They are used to hold, mix, and heat small quantities of liquid. Test tubes are small cylindrical containers, while test tube racks are used to hold multiple test tubes upright, making it easier to organize and handle them during experiments. Test tubes are perfect for conducting small-scale reactions and observing changes in a controlled environment. The racks ensure that the test tubes remain stable, preventing spills and allowing for easy access when needed. Whether you're running multiple tests or just need a safe place to keep your samples, test tubes and their racks are indispensable in the lab. Now, let's meet the flasks. Erlenmeyer flasks have a wide bottom and a narrow neck. They're great for mixing liquids without spilling. Florence flasks have a round body and a long neck. They're perfect for heating liquids evenly. Both flasks are very important for scientists to mix and heat liquids carefully during experiments. Sometimes scientists need to heat things up. That's where the Bunsen burner comes in. It's like a special stove that uses a flame to heat things up. For safer heating, we have hot plates. They use electricity to heat things up, just like your stovetop at home. Remember, safety is important when using Bunsen burners and hot plates. Always ask a grown-up for help. Tools for tiny world magnifying lenses and microscopes. Ever wanted to see something super small up close? That's where magnifying lenses come in handy. They make things look bigger. For even tinier things, we use microscopes. They are like super-powered magnifying glasses that let us see things we couldn't see with our eyes alone. Microscopes help us explore the hidden world of cells and microorganisms. Tools for precise transfers. Pipettes and droppers. Sometimes scientists need to move tiny amounts of liquid very carefully. That's where pipettes come in handy. They are like tiny droppers that suck up and release liquids one drop at a time. Droppers are similar to pipettes, but they are usually made of plastic and are used for less precise measurements. These tools help scientists be very precise when adding liquids to their experiments. Tools for stirring and observing. Stirring rods and watch glasses. To mix liquids together, scientists use stirring rods. They are like magic wands that help things dissolve and mix properly. Watch glasses are like small curved dishes. Scientists use them to observe small reactions or hold small amounts of substances. These tools help scientists mix things carefully and observe their experiments closely. Tools for safety. Goggles and tongs. Safety is super important in the science lab. That's why scientists always wear goggles to protect their eyes from splashes and fumes. Tongs help scientists handle hot objects safely. They are like long fingers that can pick up hot beakers and flasks without getting burned. Remember, always prioritize safety when doing science experiments. Tools for weighing. Balances. Ever wondered how much things weigh? Scientists use balances to measure the mass of objects and substances. There are different types of balances, from simple ones to very precise digital ones. Balances help scientists measure the exact amount of ingredients they need for their experiments. We've learned about so many cool tools already, but there are even more. Each tool has a unique purpose and plays a crucial role in scientific experiments and research. Take spatulas. These are like tiny shovels that help us scoop and transfer powders and crystals. They ensure precise measurements and prevent contamination, which is vital for accurate results. Mortar and pestles are another essential tool. They are used to crush and grind substances into a fine powder. This process increases the surface area of the substance, making it easier to dissolve or react in experiments. Funnels are incredibly handy too. They help us pour liquids into containers with small openings without spilling. This is especially important when dealing with hazardous chemicals, ensuring safety and precision. Petri dishes are like tiny plates where scientists grow bacteria and other microorganisms. These dishes are crucial for studying the behavior and characteristics of these tiny life forms, leading to important discoveries in microbiology. Tripods support Bunsen burners and other equipment. They provide a stable platform for heating substances, which is a common step in many experiments. Wire gauze is placed on top of tripods to support beakers and flasks while heating. It distributes the heat evenly, preventing the glassware from cracking due to direct exposure to the flame. pH meters measure how acidic or basic a liquid is. This information is crucial in many fields, from chemistry to biology, as it affects how substances interact and react with each other. Wow, that's a lot of amazing tools. Each one has a specific function that contributes to the success of scientific experiments. Understanding how to use these tools properly is a fundamental skill for any aspiring scientist. So next time you're in a lab, take a moment to appreciate these incredible instruments and the role they play in advancing our knowledge of the world. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll make a groundbreaking discovery of your own. And now let's recap all the amazing laboratory tools we explored. Remember, these tools are the backbone of scientific discovery, helping us to measure, heat, observe, and experiment with precision. We started with beakers and graduated cylinders, essential for holding and measuring liquids accurately. Then we explored test tubes and test tube racks, perfect for small-scale reactions and easy organization. Next, we looked at Erlenmeyer and Florence flasks, which are great for mixing and heating solutions. For heating, we have our trusty Bunsen burners and hot plates. To observe the tiny details, we rely on magnifying lenses and microscopes. Transferring small amounts of liquid is made easy with pipettes and droppers. Stirring rods and watch glasses are perfect for mixing and observing reactions. Safety first. Goggles and tongs protect us from potential hazards. Balances help us measure masses accurately. And let's not forget other crucial tools like spatulas, mortar and pestles, funnels, Petri dishes, tripods, wire gauze, and pH meters. Each tool has a unique role in the lab, making them all science superstars. It's quiz time. It's time to test your knowledge. Are you ready to challenge yourself and see how well you understand the tools and concepts used in science? Let's get started and see how many questions you can answer correctly. 1. Which tool is used to measure liquids accurately? A beaker or a graduated cylinder? The answer is a graduated cylinder. 2. What do scientists use to heat things up in the lab? The answer is a Bunsen burner. 3. What tool magnifies tiny things and makes them look 100 times bigger? The answer is a microscope. 4. Why is it important to wear goggles in the lab? Yes, correct, to protect your eyes from splashes and fumes. 5. What tool helps scientists transfer small amounts of liquid very precisely? The answer is a pipette. Great effort today, young scientists. Remember, science is all about exploring and having fun while learning. It's a journey of curiosity and discovery, where every question leads to new knowledge and understanding. Keep asking questions and never stop discovering. The world of science is vast and full of wonders. Stay curious, keep exploring, and always seek to learn more about the amazing world around you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Simply Science TV if you haven't already. Like and share this video for more interesting science video every week.